He wants you to get the bird down. He's talking to the bird. Touch the bird. Whoa!
No! Baby bird. No. No.
Touch the bird. Touch the bird, Jonathan.
You don't want to touch it.
He's recording. I'm recording it. I'm recording. Touch the birdie.
Yeah?
You don't know the thing about it.
Touch it. Touch him.
Whoa. What are you doing, baby?
Touch him.
Nice bird.
Nice birdie. Want to touch it? Touch it. Oh, jeez!
Sit on your shoulder. She'll sit on your shoulder.
He was crying.
Okay, get your bud. Maybe put it up because you're probably a little bit scared of it.
Scared of who?
Yeah.
The first couple times